Today, Team Omair Foundation stopped by a small village consisted of a little over a dozen families. It is a remote area some 25 kilometers away from ઠઠ્ઠા in Sindh, along the bank of river Indus. We found that the villagers are living very deep in poverty. Can you imagine how they all manage to live in merely 6 tents? They don't have any washroom, they need to walk at least a kilometer away to fetch potable water. And on top of everything, recent floods have deprived them of all their sources of income. Furthermore, as a result of the gloomy situation they are living in, majority of them are suffering from malnutrition, waterborne diseases and skin infections. Given the fact that it is a very remote area, there is no medical facility in the 25-kilometer radius. The Omair Foundation has decided to adopt the village. We are going to transform it into a model one. It means that accommodations, 3 meals a day, supply of clean drinking water will be ensured for all of them. Besides this, a park and a school for children as well as a medical facility will also be established in the neighborhood. We do believe that the OSF will bring back a smile and some fresh breeze in their lives. Thank you, Omair Foundation. And yes, we want you to join hands with us to bring back a smile on faces of children in flood affected areas of Pakistan. Thank you.